Hi everyone, this is Saria. Welcome back to my channel Saria's Lifestyle World. Well, hope you all are fine. Well, in this video today I'm going to share with you the western wear outfit ideas with makeup ideas. Okay, some tips and tricks. So before that, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get new upcoming videos. Well, for girls stylish fashion, girls who love to wear stylish outfits, especially like western outfits, today this video is for you. Okay, so keep watching. Well, you can see that I wear a red color outfit, t-shirts, so uh, normally, we love to wear the Western outfits, like hang out, school, colleges, or any hangout party with the friends, circles, and your close ones. You can just wear. But before that, today in this video, I'll share with you that how you can very easy ways to that you can have a very how we can get a very stylish western outfit ideas with makeup. Okay, so this video is today for you, so especially for girls, because girls are lots of love to wear western dress, especially teenagers, and sometimes they don't know that how we can get very easy ways, what are the easy ways that you can get a very beautiful and stylish look. um, so when we just try to some western outfits, so first you need to consider about one thing, that it should be stylish and fashionable. Okay, so you already know that my channel is based on like fashion, lifestyle, makeup, and the whole lifestyle world. So I always try to show it to you that the different things about fashion and lifestyle, and also about makeup as well, some accessories, dress, outfits, all over the lifestyle that is related to our lifestyle. So, and the most important thing, the easy way and the affordable way. Okay, because we know that normally lots of people don't afford to um, uh, like buy the expensive things, so for that, especially the video is for them. uh, so first you have to uh, choose that what type of dress you'd like to wear. Okay, so red is my favorite color, so you can see that I wear a red color t-shirts. Okay, so with red color t-shirts you can wear like jeans, or anything, black jeans or anything. I'm use the black one because red and black combination is good. So I'll show you that. But before that, you have to choose that how you can your hairstyle. Okay, like how we can just have your hairstyle that is suit with your dress. Okay, your outfits. So first, I'll set my hair. So I'm just like this type of one-sided design hairstyle. So just keep your hair like is one-sided. Just using the brush to set your hair properly. So you can set some hair in front of your face, so it will add some extra stylish look. And for makeup, you can use like face powder, um, or foundation, anything, but because it's like a normal, usually general casual look, so I'm using the powder, so you can use the powder, okay. Or if you can choose, you can also use like a face powder, okay. But first you have to apply the lotion on your face. I have already applied the lotion on my face first properly, and after that I have applied the powder on my face, okay. So and mix it properly. And I'm also using the eyeliner. You can also use the kajal for eye makeup. So I'll share some different eye makeup on my next video, or some future videos, okay, my upcoming videos. And here I'm using the lip liquid lipsticks. For you can choose the lipsticks like match with your dress, or like pink color, or any shades you would like to prefer. Just first try to just cover up the outer shapes on your lips, okay, around your lips, because this is the most important thing for lip makeup. You can also use some accessories if you'd like to wear. So I I would like to love to uh, watch the wrist clock. Okay, so I'm using these accessories here. So you can also use this one because a watch, like a wrist watch, will add some extra stylish look. Okay, so here you can use this type of clock. This is like stone type shapes. So there are lots of different available in online and shopping malls. So you can just use those, and you can also use like bracelets and other accessories, or like a simple chain on you around your neck. So I'm using the wrist clock, so wristwatch. So you can use the wristwatch. Okay, so normally I would love to wear the watch. So you can use some this type of fashionable wristwatch. Okay, you can see that this is very beautiful wristwatch. This watch is very look stylish and also very fashionable as well. So so add some extra glamour look. So you can use this type of accessories, this type of watch. Okay, there are different colors. I am using the red color, so I'm matching with my western outfits. So that's like so you can use this type of tips and tricks you can use when you just prepare for yourself with western dress or western outfits. So I think you can also look very stylish and fashionable and also very beautiful. Okay, so that's the thing. So normally you have to just prepare your set your hair, and which type of colors you want to use. You just set like which type of which colors of jeans and tops and t-shirts you'd like to prefer. And uh, with that you can like what color of lipsticks and eyeliner you can use. So all these things that you can use. Um, and for all, and one more thing, with these outfits you can also use like a kits. Okay, like I'm using the black kits because kits will suit prefer with that. So that's the overall or all your look. So I'm showing you the overall look mine. So so that's the thing. And so I think you hope I hope you enjoyed this video. Well, uh, that's for today. And in my next video, I'll show some extra more and more upcoming videos about fashion and lifestyle, and more some unique, try to cover the more unique ideas that you love this one, and you can try this at home, and where and any part or any party or any hangout anywhere you would like to prefer. So that's all for today, and please subscribe my channel. Those people already subscribed my channel, thank you very much. Thanks a lot. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get new upcoming videos. Stay fine, bye.